And now let's move to find out what's happening at the Gail Borden Public Library in April.
Hi, I'm Liz Clemens with Gail Borden Library, inviting you to imagine your future at CareerFest 2015. It'll take place on April 28th from 6:30 to 8:30. We'll have a lot of people in all different professional capacities talking to you about jobs and careers. We'll have people in the medical profession, law, dog grooming even. So come and join us. There'll be food and prizes.
Hello, I'm Anna Devine, the Library on the Go manager. Do you have a baby or are you expecting one soon? Then you don't want to miss BabyFest, April 18th. Stop by and get the latest baby information in the area, featuring health and wellness resources, community services, and even unique baby products. Attend some mini sessions and learn about itsy bitsy yoga or hear lullabies from a professional music therapist. How about stopping by for a baby and me story time? You might even win one of our fabulous prizes. Hope to see you at BabyFest, April 18th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Hope to see you there.